Welcome to the SysAid Help Desk software tutorial. All of you should now have an icon on your desktop that says Technical Support. If you don't have that icon on your desktop yet, please let us know so that we can get you up and running with this new software. To access the SysAid End User Portal, click on the link. You can also access the portal anytime by hitting the F11 key on your keyboard. Once you're inside the portal, you can submit a service request, review any campus-wide technology news, change your user settings, or chat with a support administrator. A few things to notice about this screen are that if the chat icon is green, that means someone is logged in and ready to help you. If it is red, that means all of our support representatives are currently busy, at which point you could leave us a message. Also, in the upper right-hand corner are the home key and the logout key. When you first log into the portal, you will need to change some settings, such as your email address and your name, so that we can better assist you in the future. To do this, click on the Change Your Settings link. The only fields that you will need to fill out on this page are the first name, the last name, and the email address. You do not need to enter a password since there's no need to password protect this program. When you are done, click Save at the bottom of the page. Now click on the Submit Service Request link to start your service request. On this screen, you will need to select the category that your problem pertains to. There are 3 category levels. The first one is easy, since most of you will be using the Admin Office category. On the second tier, choose between hardware or software, depending on what your problem relates to. The third tier category contains specific pieces of hardware that you could have issues with. Select the one that best relates to your issue. Next, you will need to enter a title for your specific problem. This should be a simple explanation of what's going wrong. For instance, your printer could be out of toner. In the description field, please be as specific as you can with your problem so that we can better assist you in the quickest and easiest way possible. In this example, we will enter the type and the model of the printer and the ink that we need. Be sure to also include your location so we know where it's coming from. Next, you will want to set the urgency of the problem. For something like this, we would set a normal urgency, since this problem needs attention immediately but doesn't affect more than one person. You can set the urgency at whatever you like, but please be considerate of others who might also be in need. Just because you can set the urgency to very high doesn't mean you should. High and very high urgencies should be reserved for problems that are affecting multiple people. You can also choose to include a screen capture to help us better solve error messages, or include an attachment if there is a problem with a specific document. When you are done, hit Submit to send your request in. If a representative is online and you need a question answered, you can chat with us. To do this, click on the Chat Online link and a window will open. Click Start to begin. From here, you can use it just like any other chat program. If you'd like to attach a document for us to look at, click on the paperclip and it'll ask you where you want to upload the document from. When you are done, hit Close. We have now successfully changed our information, submitted a service request, and initiated a chat. The only thing left to do is log out, which you can do by selecting the icon in the upper right-hand corner. This concludes our tutorial of the SysAid Help Desk software.